In this video, I'm going to be doing a reviewing a test of this CareFor Teeth Whitening Kit. It comes with 14 pieces for 7 days for the top and the bottom teeth. It comes with the pen with the formula. It comes with this card so you can see what number are your teeth, and then after you finish with the treatment, you can compare it. It comes with all the instructions, very super easy to use. So follow me, let's go test it. This is how the strips look, and we're gonna go ahead and open the pen, and you're gonna twist. I already got it ready. You need to twist it until you see the gel coming out. I'm gonna be using a different mirror to apply the gel. So you just kind of apply it. Be careful you don't touch your lips, but you're gonna be applying it like this. So I'm gonna go down here and apply it, and I'll see you in a little bit. You use the top for the top lips. Okay, so there's the top. The gel tastes very minty. I used other ones before, and the taste of medicine is really bad. But this one has a strong mint taste, and I feel like it tastes a little bit like lemon, like the citrus of the lemon. So let's go ahead and do the bottom. Okay, here we go. The strips have a smooth side and a little design side on the other side, so you need to put them on the smooth side. So here we go. I'm gonna leave it for 45 minutes, and I'll see you back. Okay, day number 1 is done, and here's how my teeth look. This is day number 2, and I decided to try something different. I'm gonna put the gel on the actual strip because I feel like I struggled a little bit yesterday the other way. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I'm gonna go through the normal process, and I will let you know, guys, how it worked out. This is day number 3, and just so you know, I really like putting the gel on the strip rather than put it on my teeth. This is day number 3. Take into consideration that I am a coffee drinker and I love iced teas. So day number 3. This is day number 5. Today is the last day, number 7, and here are my teeth. I see a very huge difference. I think that considering that I'm a coffee drinker all day, I think the results are really good. What do you think? I hope you were able to see the difference in my teeth after the finish of the treatment. I'm really happy with the product. It really worked. I know I have a lot of more work to do because I have never done it before, so I know I need to continue with treatment. But I hope the information that I gave you helps you to determine whether you want to buy them or not. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please follow, like, and comment. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And thank you so much. Until next time.